Alright, so what's this? These look like aircraft and AA guns. Obviously, we have the clear plastic windows and whatnot. Let's see, this looks to be a lot of randomness. Nothing specific. I think these are all guns. Yeah, these are all guns. What we got? And these are all normal gray? Yeah, normal gray. Like more guns, I think, and this looks to be the bottom half of the hull. I'm gonna grab that out, so I want to look at that. All right. Obviously, this is the big stuff. This is half of it. Well, probably about 3/4 of it. The upper hull. There's that. Then we have part of the lower hull and what looks to be maybe bulkheads. So that's what that looks to be, bulkheads and whatnot. And then part of the hull. This is just the base. Nothing special. This is the front of the bow. Maybe part of the main island, possibly. This, well, I guess this is part of the base. Looks to be part of the base. And the rear hull. Nice. It's nice plastic. It looks really nice. But I'm gonna paint it anyway. So these pieces together. Let's see, what is that? Got a couple fins. Main stack. Not sure what this piece is. I think it might be part of the cargo bay, I'm not sure. And then the giant exhaust. More parts of the hull. These are probably around the cargo bay. But we're gonna paint this. Well, we're gonna repaint everything, so. Gotta figure out what color gray I want to do it in.
Merry Christmas! Dinner with Mo!
Yes, thanks so much, dude. So that's that. Let's look at and look at the instructions. Eek.